Hello friends, welcome to DCT Lab, and for obvious reasons I am Mr. DCT, and in today's video is going to be a series. We are going to be answering this question. It's on the topic algorithm and data structure 1. So it's actually an exercise my teacher gave us, my lecturer. So there are a total of 40 exercises, and the level of difficulty starts from beginner, intermediate to really difficult, but not totally difficult. I would say it's for all level. Let me say if you are in ordinary level, high advanced level and university, and you want to practice how to write algorithms, pseudocodes, and later on convert it to a program language. Well, our teacher only taught us to write, my lecturer only taught us to write the algorithms, right? But I'm the one doing it the extra, I want to make it fun, right? That's why I want to later on, as I convert as I write the pseudocode, I'll convert it to the program language. And for this case, I'll be using C. Why? Because again, I want it to be beneficial to advanced level students and also ordinary level students, so that they can practice for their GCE. Writing algorithms and converting it to a program language like C will help you prepare for your GCE Computer Science Paper 3 practicals, right? And again, if you are in the university, this is also a good exercise to practice your problem solving skills, algorithm writing skills, all those stuff. So it's for everybody in general. Okay, so without any further ado, I created a folder called algorithm mastery, and in it there's this readme file. In the readme file, I've written some small summarized notes. In there, I've defined an algorithm. These are just prerequisite of stuff that you should know maybe before diving into this series. It's really summarized and beginner friendly. So in it, I have characteristics of an algorithm. I have algorithm in problem solving, flowcharts, pseudocodes, and also how to think like a programmer. So it's not really much. It's really summarized, some few lines. So if you read through it, then you are good to go. Okay, so for it, I'll provide since with this video I'll provide a GitHub link that is going to contain everything I'm going to be doing here. That means the pseudocode plus the program in C, right? So in my GitHub link, you will see the readme file there. All right, so without any further ado, let's dive in. Now exercise 1 says write an algorithm that displays the message hello. It's pretty simple, right? I guess. So just to let you know, I'm going to be using the terminal, the command line interface most of the time. Why? Because I really love navigating with the terminal, because it's quite faster for me to create files, folders, and also switch between directories. So don't mind. You see the very thing that you see here in the. By the way, I'm using Sublime Text, right, for my IG as my IG. So in this folder, algorithm and mastery, you see that I'm there, right? So for example, if I type ls, you see this readme file. This is the readme file also here in Sublime Text. And if you want to see my paths, if I type pwd, you see that I'm in home, right down to the directory or folder algorithm mastery. Now in this folder, I want to create now a folder that contains only exercise 1. So I'm going to say make directory exercise 1. When I press enter, you see directly here it creates a new folder called exercise 1. Now I'm going to enter inside exercise 1, and I will create another. I'll create now my C file. That's where I'm going to write my pseudocode and the C program. So I will say touch exercise 1.c. Now if you look very well here, inside exercise 1 folder in Sublime Text, if I click on it, I'll see exercise 1.c. Voila. So don't worry about the terminal, don't be scared. You can see that it's easier for me to create stuff and do things faster in terminal than going to the GUI and right clicking, taking new create folder will be too long. But here in the command line, I do it faster. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive in. So I'm going to start by writing the algorithm. Let me comment this out. So in all algorithms or pseudocode, we always put start. So you can write start, or you can maybe say begin. So for this case I'll put start. So it's not like a general purpose of like it's the language you use. Like you can use any language, but there are some particular words that you use in pseudocode. So you can put start or begin before you do any other move. So for me to display hello world, I can just type display, and at the same time I can put write, or I can put, let me say, output. You see, so the same way you can. So for this case I prefer put display. Now in display I can put bracket, then double quotes, and I say hello, and that's it. Now if it was maybe in programming, you can put like C, you can put semicolon at the end, but in pseudocode it's not really necessary. So when it's that, I can now put N, or I can put stop. So you see, that's all about. Let me comment this now, close the comment. Okay, so this is all about the pseudocode. You see, it's not really difficult, right? Now that's the algorithm to display hello. How do we convert it now into a program language like C? Well, for that case we just have to include first of all our library, which contains the printf and the scanf functions, right? So in it I'm going to say stdio.h. now int main. In my main function now I'll printf hello world. Sorry, hello, I'm used to a hello world. So hello, then semicolon at the end, because that's the rule of C. You must end with all your statement with semicolon. Now return 0, again semicolon. Let me compile and run. Hope there are no errors. Voila, there are no errors. You see hello appears down here. Now to make my output format look very good, or good formatted, I can put /n for next line, then compile again, Control B. Now hello appears down here. So you can see that I have just converted this pseudocode into a program language like C, and now I can see the output printed below here. So that's pretty much all about exercise 1, and I hope you follow along to our next exercise, which is exercise 2, and we're going to continue writing 40. There are a total of 40 questions, so I hope you follow along, and I hope we'll also be interested along the way. So that's it. Peace.